economic life of Pakistan.
And you know, whole of central government administration is in West Pakistan. Capital, central administration, military installations, everything West Pakistan. Though East Pakistan, a 56% population, is still they are not getting any right in the central administration, economic field, and other fields. Naturally, East Pakistan people want that they should get this self-determination and this full regional autonomy. Only foreign defense, foreign affairs, and currency should be in the hands of central government, or the residuary power should go to the regions.
Now, when the leaders from Pakistan got together, Sheikh Mujib made the point, and that is the origins of the 6-point demand, that yes, we want democracy, but we also want regional autonomy. We want democracy, but we want it within a federal framework where there will be a substantial measure of regional autonomy. And 6 points was really the detailing out of a new federal scheme.
Mujib's political campaigns landed him in prison on numerous occasions.
এই 6 দফা মূলত ছিল স্বায়ত্তশাসনের দাবি, অটোনমি যাকে বলে। ছাত্র যুব সমাজ এবং নিউক্লিয়াসের পক্ষে দাবি ছিল, স্লোগান ছিল যে 6 দফা না হয় 1 দফা, যদি স্বায়ত্তশাসন না হয় তাহলে স্বাধীনতা।